Have you ever feel sluggish? When you wake up in the it's something we all have experienced at one point of another. Hitting the snooze button in the alarm clock repeatedly or needing an extra cup of coffee in the morning just to get out of bed. Low energy levels can be a real struggle. The thing is, it's not about getting a good night's sleep. It's about having energy to take on the day, to tackle our goals, and to live life to the fullest. This is why it's so important to address the issue to find natural ways to boost our energy instead of depending on chemicals or energy boosters, mixed drinks or anything of that sort. So, why do we feel so sluggish in the morning? Have you ever asked yourself that? Well, one major reason is poor sleep quality. When we don't get a good night's rest, our body don't get a good chance to repair and recharge, leaving us feeling drained and lethargic. Another reason is our diet. Consuming high amounts of sugar, which is poison, please research that. Caffeine and processed foods can cause energy crashes and mood swings. And let's not forget about our lifestyle choices, secondary jobs, marriage, kids, the lack of exercise, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and too much screen time, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, can all contribute to low energy levels. Plus, stress and anxiety can play a huge role in sapping our energy too. When we're constantly worried or are on the edge, our bodies are in a state of fight or flight, making it difficult to relax and recharge. So, how can we overcome these energy sapping habits and start feeling more energized in the morning? When one of the most important things that you could do is to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water a day and you see what happens. How your body reacts, how your body adapts, how you're feeling great. Remember, water brings oxygen into the body. Throughout the day helps out also flush all the toxins, your body toxins, and keep energy levels stable. Another key is to establish constant morning routine, whether it's meditation, whether it's yoga, whether it's a quick workout. Having a morning routine helps to boost your mood and get you excited for the day ahead. Exercise is so crucial. I'm doing it right now. I'm actually running, I'm cycling, I'm jogging, and I feel amazing. Regular physical activity improves circulation, increase your energy levels, and releases endorphins, which are a natural mood boosters. And of course, nutrition plays a huge role. Eating foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants helps you support our energy production and overall health. So here is one thing. One of the most important things and effective strategy that you could implement in your daily life is to find boosting energy by incorporating adaptogenic herbs in your daily routines. Adaptogens are natural substances that help our body adapt to stress and promote balance in our energy levels. One of the most important and my favorite adaptogens is ashwagandha. This is a herb that has shown to reduce cortisol levels, improve sleep quality, and increase energy production. I like to add it to my morning smoothie or to take it in a supplement form. Another strategy that has worked wonders for me is practicing gratitude in the morning. When we focus on what we are thankful for, it shifts our mindset and helps us approach the day with more positivity and energy. I like to take a few minutes each morning to write it down, three things I'm grateful for. It's amazing how much difference this makes. There's one specific strategy that I like to implement every day, and that's to highlight what's the power of the morning sunlight. Exposure to natural light in the morning helps me regulate my circadian rhythm, which is the internal clock that controls my energy levels. When we when we get a morning sunlight, our body produces more serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that helps us feel more alert and awake. It's incredible how often as simple as taking a short walk outside in the morning can boost your energy levels. For me, it has been a game changer. Okay? I make it a point to take a 10-minute walk outside in the morning while the sun is rising. It's amazing how much energized I feel throughout the day. So let's discuss the importance of addressing low energy level, common reasons for feeling sluggish, and several natural methods to boost our energy. Remember, it's all about making small changes in our daily habits and lifestyles. By incorporating a few of these strategies, we can feel more energized, more motivated, and ready to take on the day with a lot of energy. So, thank you for watching. Remember, let's unite as a strong community. Let's help each other. Drop a comment below what energy boosts have you used to hype your energy levels. Share some tips and experiences with us in the comment level. So also, if you're interested in learning more about natural energy boosters, make sure you check out all my other videos. Make sure you follow this channel, support my work by hitting the follow button, the like button, share it. So until the next video, God bless you.